Builderall helps you transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business. Success in digital marketing requires complete and easy-to-use solutions. Who has time to learn technicalities, invest in courses, and purchase a dozen apps just for one sales funnel? That is why we created Builderall, so anyone could put a whole business online in a matter of minutes without having to buy dozens of tools and plugins, and then have to learn all those different softwares. Builderall is a professional digital marketing system with hundreds of templates and all the tools you will ever need, integrated in one platform in an affordable package. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Builderall is simply what you have when you put entrepreneurs, marketers, designers, and software engineers in the same room. A comprehensive solution from different angles and disciplines. That's right, we created a complete platform where entrepreneurs can easily build a business, test ideas, learn, share knowledge, automate processes, market, attract clients, scale, and sell online in one dashboard. Why? Because we are passionate for online business, digital marketing, efficiency, real results, making money, and success. Builderall is developed to be the secret weapon that will skyrocket your business. Thousands of entrepreneurs in more than 120 countries have already discovered success with Builderall when building an online business or scaling the business they already have. Check out some examples on how to take advantage of Builderall to boost your business growth. John knows everything about Facebook ads and wanted to build a course on the topic. He created a sales funnel on Builderall with a capture page, email sequence, sales page, and membership area. John also uses animated videos, conversion proof, and Builderall's checkout system to sell his courses online. As a result, with only a few pages, John built a complete, prosperous, and legitimate business using Builderall. Marcus had a foreign language school, and due to logistics limitations, he could only teach students in his country. When he found out about Builderall, he noticed he could scale his business in a way he could have never imagined. Marcus created a membership area, integrated it with our e-learning platform, and made available over 200 lessons in 20 different modules, all of them with videos, PDFs, and tests at the end of each module. Using Builderall, he created an incredible sales funnel that captures the emails of his potential students, offers them demo videos, and drives the students to a sales page ready with his course for purchase. Without having to go anyplace else, he added hundreds of students to his client base. Today, with Builderall, Marcus can sell his courses to the whole country without having to rent a building for his school. Anna is a dentist and was desperately in need of new clients for her clinic. With Builderall, Anna created a page to capture the emails and phone numbers from potential local clients interested in a free teeth cleaning. With a few clicks, she was able to leverage her local campaign on Facebook and work with the leads capture funnel, which comes with Builderall. In just 6 weeks, Anna brought in dozens of new clients and leads that she can stay in touch with by taking advantage of Builderall's email marketing tool. Eddie is the owner of a small store where he sells vaporizers. When he found out about Builderall, he decided to create a professional virtual store using the included e-commerce system. With e-commerce, he can sell and manage all his inventory in an extremely simple and intuitive way. Today, Eddie still has his local store, but most of his sales are online thanks to Builderall e-commerce. Eddie also uses Builderall's email marketing platform to send great offers to his leads and clients, taking his sales to an even higher level. Andrew is a digital marketing professional and works as an affiliate. As a digital marketing professional, Andrew was used to spending hundreds of dollars every month buying many different tools. Things changed when he found out about Builderall. By adopting our platform, he saved both time and money, since all the tools he needed were within Builderall's unlimited system. Andrew can create dozens of funnels to build lists with capture pages, split testing, and conversion stats. He is also capturing, managing, automating, and sending unlimited numbers of marketing emails. Today, Andrew has more than 50,000 emails registered in different niches and can sell his products and promote launches every week using Builderall's webinar tool. With Builderall, Andrew has everything he needs in one place. Maria loves to write about artisanal handicrafts, so she put aside the time to create her own artisanal handicraft blog with videos and great articles using Builderall's built-in blog builder. Maria collected emails for newsletters from her blog which now has thousands of visitors every month thanks to the Builderall's SEO on-page optimization system. Today, Maria earns money with AdSense ads and sending emails sponsored by companies that sell products in her niche. Maria charges around $2,000 for her services sending email campaigns and writing an article post. It is incredible what you can do with this platform. Simon has a pizzeria and needs to attract more clients to his restaurant. With Builderall digital marketing tools, Simon was able to bring new clients and keep the clients he already has. To accomplish that, Simon created a capture page for emails and browser notifications. He ran a local ad on Instagram offering 50% off. And now, Simon has hundreds of leads to send emails and browser notifications to, with incredible pictures of his own pizzas and deals. Without even being on Simon's website, his leads get a picture of a pizza every day at 6 p.m. over the internet with a coupon. Imagine if you could do that for your business. Mark loves the fitness world and has vast experience in the market. Mark knows exactly how to attract clients to any gym using digital marketing. So he created an ebook teaching gym owners the importance of digital marketing in today's age. After the owners download the ebook, Mark offers them a complete sales funnel to start bringing in clients. The gym owners create a Builderall account, and Mark simply transfers the funnels and offer pages he created specifically for gym professionals. By following this method, Mark teaches his clients on how to manage their marketing by charging a monthly fee for consultations and material development. Today, Mark has hundreds of clients and is now an authority in the field. All that by dominating one niche and using Builderall to create and transfer sales funnels to his clients. Martha works with multi-level marketing and managed to create an incredible entrepreneur recruiting funnel for her business opportunity. In this funnel, she has a page with a video to capture emails that are connected to an autoresponder sequence, webinar registration, confirmation, and presentation pages where she has a registration link to redirect potential clients straight to the business offers she represents. With the Builderall Auto Funnel, Martha can duplicate and share the same funnel to all entrepreneurs in her network. They don't even have to edit the funnel since it is already done for them. Today, Martha is one of the top sellers of her company. She loves to work with Builderall. Brad knows how to sell websites on Flippa. With Builderall, Brad can build websites to sell digital products, an e-commerce website, or a blog to be monetized with AdSense. After building the website, all he needs to do is bring traffic. Brad will then sell the website on Flippa, earning him around more than $1,000 in profit per transaction. Imagine, Brad no longer needs to migrate websites and files between servers, use FTP, or install any other software. With Builderall, the buyer creates an account, and Brad transfers the website immediately, giving them total access and control in a matter of minutes. Philip is crazy about sales funnels and digital marketing, but he was tired of the same formats and layouts. Philip wanted something new, revolutionary, fast, and efficient. With the drag-and-drop pixel-perfect website creator from Builderall, Philip has complete creative freedom. He began to build fresh websites with animated images, parallax effects, timers, and more. With over 20 pre-built sales funnels available to him on Builderall, Philip can quickly configure a sales funnel and add one of his offers. With Builderall's super-fast websites on CDN servers, his websites open in a fraction of a second anywhere in the world, which is extremely important in an industry where speed is everything. Today, Philip has the freedom to create any type of funnel and presentation in a fast and intuitive manner. Since Builderall is completely integrated, he does not need to buy any other tools. Henry has had a digital agency for years with hundreds of clients. He created his digital agency based on local directories, so he knows local businesses. With Builderall, Henry offers his clients complete solutions with websites, blogs, virtual stores, sales funnels, Google search results, and more. He develops the websites, sales funnels, or blogs, and manages all the content and marketing campaigns for his clients from his Builderall account. With complete control over his time, he just visits each client once a month, and in less than an hour, their campaign is ready to go. Ken had a website that simply did not work. Even with him buying traffic, his leads would not convert into sales. With Builderall, Ken completely changed the format of his website and funnel. First, he created a sales page using one of our pre-built templates, and then proceeded to add a floating video to surprise his clients and catch their attention to share his message in a clear and objective fashion. Relieved, Ken is finally converting leads, clients, and sales thanks to Builderall. Roger is a young entrepreneur and is still learning, researching, and deciding on what type of business he will build online. Yet he is still making money while getting his business off the ground. Working only a few hours a week with the incredible leveraged affiliate system from Builderall, Roger can generate a new sale every day while growing his client base and affiliate network, which today generates more than $500 every week. Roger is still going to school and learning the market, but one thing he already knows: the combination of a great offer, sales funnel, and leveraged affiliate system can generate a lot of money online. Roger is extremely happy with all he has accomplished with Builderall, and his future looks incredibly bright. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere, and I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.